Hey guys, welcome back to the part 2 of electrical safety. I am Raj Sharma who run this channel Electrical Point where we discuss various topics of electrical technology. Okay, and guys, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel Electrical Point. I am sure you will be able to learn everything about electrical, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest videos through your notifications. So friends, the next point is regarding about house wiring. So many of the electricians, what they do, they install the switchboards and the plug points at a lower height from the ground. You should never do that. At least maintain a 5 feet height from the ground level when you are installing a switchboard, because there are kids in a house, little kids. Okay, so they, what they do, they oftenly put their fingers on the holes of the plug point, and which is very dangerous, that can kill their lives also. So to avoid that risky condition, you should always install the switchboards at an height above than 5 feet from the ground. Okay, now this point is for the linemen who works with the electric poles. Okay, you can see on the screen. Now to climb up to the pole, okay, you always use a ladder. Now remember, the ladder should not be of any kind of material which can conduct electricity. Okay, and most of you uses a bamboo ladder. Now this is also important that when you are using a bamboo ladder, you should remember that the bamboo should not be freshly cut green bamboo. It should be of dry bamboo. You can see on the screen there is a green bamboo and there is a dry bamboo. So always use the ladder which is made of the dry bamboo. Never use green freshly cut bamboos in your ladders, because this can conduct electricity and it is dangerous for you. Guys, when you are working with the electric poles, you can see there are two lines in an electric poles. One is line wire, one is a neutral wire. Now when you are working, you should always remember, listen carefully, you should always remember that you should not touch both the wires at the same time. Okay, if you are touching the live wire, you should not touch the neutral, and if you are working with the neutral wire, you shouldn't touch the live. Okay, if you do like you are touching both the wires at the same time, electricity will flow through your body and you will get the shock and you may lose your life. So remember this point, you should not touch both the wires at the same time. See guys, I will give you the perfect explanation now how we get the electric shock actually. Suppose this is a electric pole and there are two wires on the electric pole. Okay, one is live wire, suppose this is live, and here this is the neutral. Now we get the electric shock when current will flow through our body. Okay, so there is two probability here through which the current will flow through our body. Suppose one electrician is working here, and if he touches this live wire and also the neutral wire, then current will flow through live to neutral. Initially there was no path, but now as the man touches this both wire, the current will flow through his body like this. Okay, now from live to neutral there is current through the man's body. So what will happen? He will get the electric shock. So that is why I was saying that don't never touch both the wire at the same time. Now see the second probability. So the second probability is like, if someone has touched the live wire and somehow his body is touched with the earth or our ground. We all know that our ground or our earth can take large amount of electrons. Okay, now what will happen? From this live wire there will be lots of electrons flow through the ground, through the man's body. Okay, then what will happen? Current will flow through the electrician's body. Okay, so he will get the again electric shock. So that is why I was saying that when you are using a ladder, So always the leather material should be of non-conducting of electricity. If the leather conducts electricity, then what will happen? Through the leather and the man's body, there will be current flow from live to ground, and again the electrician will get the electric shock. Okay. So guys, your next point is about wire joining. So when you do the house wirings, you always join the wires, okay, according to your need. So when you join the wires, it is very important to make the joints tight, okay. It should not be loose. Suppose I have made these two joints. This is a T joint and this is two I joint, okay. So you can see this is very tough to break. Okay, you can see this is a very tough joint. Similarly, this is also a perfect joint. So guys, you have to always make the joints perfect. And if you want to learn how to make this kind of perfect joints, you can go to the video. The link is given on the description box, and you also get the video by clicking the I button given on the screen. Okay, in that video I have perfectly shown that how to make this kind of perfect joints. Okay guys, so friends, this is all about the electrical safety part 2 video. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned a lot. Okay guys, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Electrical Point and share with your friends so that they can also get the knowledge of electrical technology. So guys, thank you very much for watching.